black sea bass are ray-finned fish native to the northeast Atlantic Ocean. They are found from Nova Scotia to the Florida Keys. In the eastern United States, they are prized by recreational and commercial fishermen and are commonly caught in inland and coastal waterways. On the other end of the fishing line, black sea bass are vibrantly colored underwater and can be very curious around divers. They also possess a special ability. Like a number of fish, black sea bass can change their gender. The majority of these fish are born female, but in what is most likely a response to a shortage of males, the largest females will change to males. But on that note, I've got to get back to the boat. So tune in next time for another episode of 1 Minute Nature Show.